type of thug in me.
Yeah.
You know what time it is. Put your baby in my thug in me.
I was buck wild, good at my knuckle game. Made it through a tough childhood, never be the same. Walked in my daddy's shoes. No time to be a peaceful man, had to shatter fools. That's till I put my eyes on you. Goddamn, sweetheart, you got some thighs on you. Now I can't wait to get you home. Get you all alone in my bedroom. Baby, can we bone and get it on? Tell me, lady, how you like me. And if you want it harder, baby, come and bite me. But do it light, cause that excites me, the lady pop. And if you lick me right, I do it all night. Only got fucked by a drug dealer. Never felt the real passion of a thug nigga. Though I like the way you scream when you're loving me, I'm going deep, it's the thug in me. So what you saying, girl? It's so strong, niggas in the next room will come. I got your head swinging. Come listen as I hit it from the back with the bed ringing. Give me space as I lick your face. Stick the place synchronized so I grind when they kick the bass. Love fucking in the morning. I get you wet and bust a sweat, then I'm gone. Left you on your own, girl. Tell me what you feel like. Blindfolded, I'm cold, do it real nice. As if you feel right. Baby, it's the thug in me. I pull your hair while we fucking in the chair when you're loving me up against the wall. You can have it all, just try, but my kiss can get you high. Don't pass by. Grab me by my nuts when I'm loving you. Now open up and let me put the thug in you.
A nigga like me, a lady like you.
Baby, it's the thug in me.
That I wanna put in you. A thug nigga like me, I need a thug lady like you. Got a lot of thug in me that I wanna get to.
Say, baby, what's your phone number? Be warned, I'm like a storm with my own thunder. I make the room rumble in and out, long stroke. Hold your breath now, close your eyes deep though. Did you like it? Ooh, I'm excited, cause it's a party in my bedroom, you're invited. Come on now, let me see you